My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. A devotional poem written by Shri Ananda Krishna. Belief in your nature, for my soul is overwhelming. Your presence near me is supremely charming. My eyes have welled up with joyous tears. Your strong presence near me has obliterated all my fears. Your grace has left my soul quivering with joy. The sheer nakedness of your being my soul shall enjoy. My frozen mortal world in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. Your grace has stripped away my every thought, emotion, and expectation. This world of darkness can no more produce any frustration. The relentless flow of tears can no more drown my soul. With ecstasy, passion, and deep fervor, I will reach my goal. This mortal darkness can no more bring any sense of shame. This wild and wanton world, for me you will tame. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. Finally I will gain access to your magical realm. By your grace my soul, you will overwhelm. Your beautiful and spontaneous experiences will charm my soul. By attracting your grace, I will become whole. My time-bound world will no more be governed by the ticking clock. All the darkness your grace shall block. My frozen mortal world in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. To time-bound rituals, I will no more restrict my soul. Worldly and spiritual wiles, I will no more use to reach my goal. Secret access to your magical realm, finally I will gain. The forces of darkness can no more my soul restrain. For eternity I have been curious to experience my majestic self. The passion of a deeper yearning I have felt myself. My frozen mortal world in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. In every cosmic event, it is you that I seek. You only long for the soul that is meek. Your dynamic mysticism in my outer and inner existence I will draw. From this world of uncertainty, my soul will withdraw. My every moment will revolve around your being. Consciously and unconsciously, your mysticism I have been seeing. My frozen mortal world in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. The curiosity of a child, to my soul you have gifted. To your magical realm, my soul you have lifted. Intentionally I have attracted your whole universe. With your secret world, let me converse. Your grace and energy has been captivated by my soul. My soul has been drawn into your cosmic whole. My frozen mortal world in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death. Your grace is far too powerful for my soul. Draw me into your void and make me whole. It is your nectar that will flow through my being. your majestic self for eternity. I have been seeing. Your grace will blank out my soul from all the worldly experience. Your majestic self, the whole cosmos will experience. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death! In vain my soul struggles to remember its past. In my soul the darkness will no more last. Your presence near me I have strongly felt. With the heat of your grace, my heart has melted. The intense outpour of your mystic rain I have seen. In the sheer nakedness of your being, my soul has been. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death! The inner music of the cosmic spheres, my soul has heard. The cosmic sound, emanating from your being, I have heard. You are the Absolute, that rests in deep silence. It is your grace, that can end all the violence. Your dance of lightning, manifests the rhythm of the universe. In deep silence, let me with you converse. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death! The great dance of the cosmic energies, every creature has witnessed. In deep silence grievance of every soul has been addressed. You are the source of the original vibration of space. Pure awareness behind all energies is your grace. You are the root of the cosmic word. Your primordial sound, every creature has heard. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death! You are the source of the cosmic breath. You redeem every soul through death. You are the primordial sound vibration in which the entire universe is sustained. By your pure awareness, the whole universe is maintained. From your ocean of primordial vibrations arises a series of waves. You are the source of all sound and waves. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death! I can hear your vibrations arising from my spiritual heart. It is your cosmic vibrations that shall give my soul a divine start. Out of your ocean of primordial vibrations arises the universe. In deep silence with you, every soul will converse. You are the primeval state of vibration that underlies all sound and movement. The divine essence of your energy and delight sustains the divine firmament. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death! The movement of sound, let me trace back to its origins. You are the source from which pure awareness begins. The absolute silence in space, let my soul enjoy. Your primordial energy of sound and awareness, let my soul employ. In your sacred cosmic space, let me release back all my thought waves and energies. The vibration of your cosmic space shall provide me all the energies. My frozen mortal world, in your cosmic heat will melt. O destroyer of death,